So tonight, my feature film debut, Q, is gonna premiere at Regal Union Square in New York. I am super excited because we've been waiting for this film to come out for 2 years. Directed by the amazing Claudio Bellante. I'm starring alongside Emmy Award-winning actor Armand Assante, among many other amazing artists like Chuck Zito, Sandra Santiago, Vincent Pastor. So yeah, I am quite nervous, to be honest, because it'll be the very first time I watch this film, and there's part of me like I'm not sure if I'm gonna fully like my work, but I hope I do. So I auditioned for this project back in fall 2021. That was 2 years ago. It was quite an urgent call. My agent at that time sent me the script in the afternoon. They said they want the tape to be done by tonight, and then I did the tape on that night. A few hours later, they told me that the producers and director want to see me the next day for like a callback audition in person at a restaurant in Little Italy. It was weird and crazy at the same time because usually auditions, they take place at an audition viewing, and that was like the very first time I did an audition at a restaurant, which is quite interesting. So when I got to the restaurant, they set up like a little stage downstairs, and there were props, there were lights, and I got to work with this very talented and warm-hearted older actor. I did not know who he is at that time, and we had a great time playing around the scene. I did every scene that my character was involved in the script. At the end of the audition, he gave me his card. He said, "You are wonderful. I would love to see more of your stuff. Send me your stuff." I was like so flattered to hear that. I walk on the street and I pull out his card. I went on IMDb to search who he is, and then I realized he is Armand Assante, Emmy Award-winning actor and also 4-time Golden Globe nominee who has been in over 150 films. And actually, I have seen him in the movie The Odyssey. I hope I'm not pronouncing it wrong. When I was a little girl, I watched that film with my parents. So I was like, this is crazy. Like someone that I watched on screen when I was a little girl in China, and now I am acting opposite of him. That was just so exciting, and he validated my work, he liked my work, and he wants to see more of my performance. So I just like, wow, it was such a precious moment to me, and it means a lot to my heart. And then a week later, I got a call back, and then a few days later, I got the offer of this role. I think throughout this time working with Armand and also Chuck Zito and some other amazing artists in this film, what they have taught me is that, you know, famous or not, we're all just people. We're all just people. We're all human beings, and we're all equals. And I've always dreamed of working with not just great actors, great performers. I want to work with people who are genuinely kind and good human beings. So I don't have like tons of scenes in this film, but whenever my character appears on screen, it's a big moment for Armand's character, Q. It's a very male-dominated film, dark, edgy, dangerous, and my character Ming is like this pure, innocent being that shines a light on Q. I'd love to share with you guys the first day of shooting, which is the most memorable one to me. So in the movie, we have a fantasy scene between Q and my character Ming. I got to wear this gorgeous red fantasy dress that was designed and handmade for my character for this film. It was such a special moment. The designer told me he basically made this dress in 3 days. We didn't have time to do like fitting beforehand, so he basically like sewed me into this dress. And the dress has such a long train. I remember there were 2 or 3 people that were carrying my train while I walked upstairs. It literally felt like it was my wedding day. So in the fantasy scene, Armand and I are doing this waltz with very haunting music going on in the background. I didn't fully know how to do the whole waltzing stuff. I do commercial jazz, but not so good at waltzing. So Armand was carrying me and leading me throughout the dance. Watching him act was such a feast. Like he went from very sad, melancholy, a painful state of being, and then transitioned into like ecstasy and laughing like he was insane. It was just fascinating to watch that. And on top of him staying in character and also taking care of me, the whole dancing thing, he was also very, very aware of how to work with the camera, how to work with the cinematographer. Since we were dancing, we were moving like back and forth. He knows exactly what kind of picture he wants to create on screen. He knows when to pull me closer to the camera and when we should pull away. He was managing and choreographing that in his head. And that comes from someone who definitely has loads of experience working on camera. And the thing that I love most about Armand is that he's a truly kind person. He treats everyone equally, no matter you're his scene partner or hair and makeup artist or other crew members on set or even the guy who is just delivering pizza to people. He always shows up with the same kindness and grace toward everybody.
Mind your own business. Have you got balls?
Karen, Christopher. All right. What a boys, Chris. Daria, come here. You got.
So we just finished the screening. It was so good, guys. I wholeheartedly enjoyed our film. I'm so proud of this project, so honored to be a part of it, and so proud of everyone who were involved in this project. And there were so many like surprising comedic moments that I wasn't expecting. And I just love filmmaking. I'm so happy we got to share this project with everybody. And not gonna lie, I really enjoyed watching myself on screen, and I can't wait to make more. I just got back home from the after party. I haven't had any food yet, so I have this donut here from my fridge. It's been in the fridge for a few days. I probably shouldn't eat it, but I don't know. Just want to stuff something in my stomach in case I woke up during midnight and don't know what to do with myself. I actually ended up walking back home and spending 30 minutes chatting with my mom on the phone, and I feel very, very grateful. It's such a dream come true, really. I've always dreamed of being on the big screen and tell stories and touch people, and tonight I got to do that, and I'm just so happy to be seen. Yeah. And I also met an audience member. She just expressed how much she loved my character in the film. She said I was this pure innocence in midst of all the filth in this film, and I should be very proud of myself. I am trying to take that in because I feel like giving yourself love and really validate the effort and the work that you do is very important. Like the process of that is very important, and it's not very easy to do. I appreciate everyone that I met tonight, and it was so great to spend some time with Armand. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If there are other topics you'd like me to talk about or anything you'd like to see in my life, yeah, let me know. I haven't done like English chatty videos for a while. I'm trying to get back into it, so let me know your thoughts, and I shall see you next time. Bye!